Hey guys, welcome back. Right, today is Wednesday. I had a 8 o'clock free online workshop which I share my TW strategy to everyone who register for this workshop. And if you're watching this video, you can actually go for the next one, right, by clicking on the link around this video to register to attend the next one, which I will share with you how you could learn this strategy and apply it in your own trading as well, right, to find winning trades, right? But of course, back to today's video, right? I closed a few trades and didn't do much day trading, but do more of options trading, right? Yeah, I noticed something about the markets, right? It may be important information to you if you are trading the markets and involved in the markets right now. So make sure you watch this video all the way to the end, right? Okay, so let's take a look. Hey guys, so you are looking at my screen right now. You can see that I didn't do any day trades today, right? Okay, but I have a list of day trades that I given to my full-time trader program students, right? And they did traded it. One of them is this one. They did ask me to verify the trade, right? Okay, so I give them the go ahead to trade here, right, around at 11:30 to 11:35, right? And to do short sell, right? To short sell, because based on the 30-minute, 4-hour, and the 1-hour time frame, right? We can see the MACD setup is there for it to come down, right? And of course, with a 5-minute price action based on our TW strategy, right? The trigger is somewhere here, right? Okay, at this bar, in fact, right? Okay, these two bar. So with the price action, there's a confirmation to trade it down, right? Okay, in fact, let me double check. Yeah, these two bar, right? It's not these two. Anyway, the trigger is there, right, for you to trade down, right? And I would say if weighted, the entry price would have been so much better, right? If weighted, the entry price would have been so much better, and it will the risk to reward would have been so much better, right? Okay. But anyhow, even if you enter somewhere at this price now, is also still in profit lah, right? Okay. So I'm happy for them if they have took the trade, right? Another one to short sell is car, right? And you can see that is going way down. So basically today is about selling these three, right? Okay. So yeah, this one is a little bit sideways. Not a really good selection, I would say, especially when it has already gapped down at market open, right? Okay, so a better selection was this one, and I suspect a lot of my students have already traded this, and also on car here, okay, it's also going down. But I didn't trade. Why? Because I was busy looking at options trade to trade, right? So you can see I have put in quite a number of options trades. I've closed a few options trade for losses. You can see a realized loss of around $200, right? Okay, because I closed Apple, I closed UPS, which we all know UPS gap down yesterday. So I take a bit of a loss, not too big, right? It's all the Apple trade, UPS, all these trades I close for a total realized loss of 200, which is considered not too big, right? It's just a small amount. And I put in quite a number of trades over here, right, in anticipation for a move, right? And what is that move, right? You will know in this move, in this video, right? But basically I leave it towards the end, right? But if I were to share with you back to here, right, another thing is that I close all my swing trades, right? My long swing trades on HAL and OXY, and it generated me a realized profit of $868, right? Together with the trade on Micro Micro E-Mini S&P futures, right? Okay, I close it, right? I close it. It was a trade that I hold just for one day, right? Yesterday I decided to hold it. If you miss it, then you might want to watch my yesterday video. Then you will know what was happening, right? Okay, and I hold it until today, and I decided to close it and reopen the trade again, right? You can see I just reopened the trade. So after closing yesterday's S&P futures trade and the two swing trade today, it total gave me a realized profit of $868, right? Okay, I was thinking like, why did I do all this, right? Because I think, right, you can see over here, okay, based on the daily time frame, right, Nasdaq may have started to turn bearish, right? Started to turn bearish because based on our strategy, there is a bearish momentum, right? There's a bearish momentum based on our price action, and looks like tomorrow S&P might follow through as well, right? Looks like, right? Okay, so I'm doing this maneuver today just in anticipation for that. Of course, I could be wrong, right? If I'm wrong, then maybe tomorrow I'll make another adjustments just to follow through with what the market is telling me, right? Okay, so but so far this is what I think the market is proceeding, so I'm actually acting accordance to that, right? Okay, so do some futures trade in accordance to that direction, right? A small downward move, right, to take advantage of that, and also maybe S&P will follow through as well, and I don't think it's a big correction, right? Okay, and hopefully this video will give you some insights on what I think the market will go, and hopefully, and just in case you're wondering how do I actually see it, right, I actually use my TDW strategy to look at the markets and on how it is going to move, right? So if you are interested to know and to learn this strategy, right, to know more about this strategy, I actually hold a free online workshop like I mentioned earlier. I hold a free online workshop every month, where you can actually register to attend and learn more about this strategy, right? So if you are interested, then click on the link around this video to register and attend this workshop, free workshop, and you will get to learn from me about this unique TDW strategy, right? Okay, yeah, and I hope you are doing fine with your own trading as well, right? Okay, and Chinese New Year is here, and you can see today I just did my haircut, feel so refreshed, and I hope you are also doing your stuff, getting yourself ready for Chinese New Year. For those global watchers on my channel of you or this video, right, just in case you don't know, Chinese New Year is quite a big thing for China, especially for Chinese in Singapore, but generally in Singapore, right, Chinese New Year is widely celebrated among all races as well, right? Okay, even if they are not non-Chinese, they will use this as a chance to go for a holiday, right? Okay, yeah, so that's all from me. I hope that I share enough information with you about the markets, and also a little bit culture about Singapore if you are new to Singapore, right? Okay, thank you so much, and I'll see you tomorrow, right? Like I say, may the profits always be with you. Have a good night, and I'll see you soon.